In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add store address in Payhip. Adding your store address ensures taxes are calculated correctly and that your invoices and emails display the right business details. We'll walk through it from the dashboard to saving the address, and I'll share a few quick tips along the way. First, open Payhip and sign in if you're prompted. When you land on the dashboard, look to the top right corner of the screen. That's where your account menu lives. Click it to open the options, then choose Account. From there, select Settings. This is where Payhip keeps your store-wide configuration, including contact details, payments, and tax settings. Inside Settings, go to the Taxes section. On this page, find the store address area and click Add Store Address. This opens the form you'll fill out. Start with store name. This is the name customers will see on receipts and tax invoices, so use your brand name or your registered business name, whichever you want to appear publicly and consistently. Next, enter your store address. Payhip asks for the street, zip, or postal code, city, and region. For the street line, include any unit, suite, or apartment number so deliveries and official mail reach you without delays. For the zip or postal code, double-check the format used in your country. In the city field, use the official spelling. And in the region field, enter your state, province, or county, depending on your location. Keeping this info accurate helps prevent VAT, GST, or sales tax issues and keeps your receipts compliant. If you work from home, consider whether you want to list a business mailbox. Many sellers prefer a professional mailing address for privacy. Also, make sure the address you enter matches the one you use with your payment processor and tax registrations to avoid mismatches during audits. When everything looks good, click Save. You should see your new address appear in the Store Address section, confirming it's been recorded. If something doesn't look right, simply return to this same place, update the fields, and save again. Your changes apply going forward. That's it. Your store address is now set in Payhip. With the correct details in place, you'll reduce checkout friction, keep invoices consistent, and make tax reporting smoother. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part if you need a quick refresher while you set this up.